Hello everyone. I got all of these slime. Just look at these. So I got this color. So it says cinnamon roll, but butter slim gloop. I love this one. This one is my favorite. And let's try that slime out. Let's try it. It's hard. It's actually really cool. So gosh. It's just, yeah. These slimes are cool, so it's actually like blue, my second favorite color. I pretty much, they're actually getting really hard, so I probably have to wash them with water, so it doesn't matter about like activator, but activator does help, but even though when the slime is hard, it's actually, well, never mind. Let's just get to the next one. Now the next one is cookies and cream fluff, and just what it says there: do not eat. I washed that one today. It's just less stickier. Just look at it. It's just like, you can just like roll it into like a ball. And this one is just white. It really does look like cookies and cream. And it smells good too. Slime really smells good, and every time I try to make a ball, I like doing this and this. But once I did it for like 2 minutes, this happens. That's weird. Okay. But let's just get to the next one. The next one is, hold on. Next one is the pink one. Let's get that one out. Wait, I forgot. Peachy's Puffball. Butter slime texture. Just what I said from the last time. Do not eat. Oh, wait. Also, wait. Sorry. Hold on. Okay. So, it does have these like little toys in it, and a peach, even a cloud, just what I just got. That's Ava's favorite slime, and she really loves it. Wait, is there another one in there? Oh yeah, there is. Look at this one. Look at that one. Sorry, it's a little sticky from the slime. Well, you can't really see it as much. That damn slime. Oh gosh, that just made it even worse. But, wait. I forgot. There's also another one in the blue too. There's also another one in the blue too, so.